Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere and launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then hit your device's display. Following that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it. In Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point your camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and select the Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!